Okay, here we are at the Cattle Breeders Club again, and I'm talking to Alison Van Eenennaam, who's come over from University College Davis to talk about gene editing. So welcome, Alison, to the club.
Thank you, Mike.
And you're going to talk to us a little bit about gene editing. So how's it going on that front?
Well, this is a new technology that's coming along, and it's pretty exciting. We can now go in and edit the genome as it suggests, and there's a lot of interesting applications that I think are going to be really useful for animal agriculture.
Great, and presumably this is a subject of conversation in the US. And how are US cattle breeders taking to the whole area of gene editing?
Well, it offers an opportunity to make some very targeted changes in cattle populations, and it's been interesting for me working in the area because I've actually had cattle producers ring me and ask me whether or not they could get an animal edited. For example, Wagyu breeders would like to take the horns off their cattle, and they've been calling me, and so there's definite interest there. Others are a little bit more circumspect and a little bit want to see what's going to happen in terms of regulation and public acceptance, but I think if we get the public license to use the technology, it has great opportunity.
Okay, and what's the prognosis for the public acceptance? Is it good, bad, or indifferent?
Well, as you well know, the GMO debate, genetic engineering, has been a very politicised debate for 20, almost 30 years now. And so I think one of the things that's different when gene editing is we're really editing the genome within the animal. We're not bringing in DNA from another species. And really it's akin to precision breeding. And so the hope is that that's going to be less scary to the public, and the uses we could use it for, disease-resistant animals, for example, or solving problems like dehorning in cattle, I think maybe has more political interest for the public, and it solves animal welfare issues. And so maybe it's a different discussion than that was involved with GMO plants.
Yeah, well, let's hope so. So looking forward to that kind of conversation tomorrow on the Tuesday at the British Cattle Breeders Club Conference 2017.